Let me show you how to build one product Shopify store with this free AI store builder. So you can find this builder link in the description, and let's get started with the tutorial. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to click launch my free store right here. Now here you want to make sure to pick a niche. Now these are most popular niches that they have right now, but keep in mind you can change the niche even later, after you have your own store. So for this is just the top 3 niches. So we can go with electronics and gadgets, for example. We can hit continue. And as you can see here, we need to choose the 2 banners. So this is a very simple setup. We can choose the 2 banners. So let's just choose, this one, for example, and this one. And then let's hit continue. Now, as you can see here, you will need to create your Shopify account to actually go and access the Shopify. So you can click access Shopify at the bottom, which is right here. So let's click access Shopify right here. And as you can see here, we'll need to actually create an account if we don't have one, or what we can do is we can log in into our existing account. Now for this, I will go and I will select my own account right here. So that should log us in. And as you can see, we'll obviously have to go and subscribe. Once you're in your Shopify, you want to go back here. And as you can see right here, we entered this, we can go done. And as you can see now, we want to link the Shopify store. So right here, you want to click, again, access the Shopify, and you want to add the store URL here. So let's go here, access the Shopify. As you can see, now we can copy the store URL, which is right here. And we can just paste it right here, hit save. Okay. And then we can hit done. And now, as you can see, we need to obviously grab our Shopify discount. So obviously you need to choose the Shopify plan. Now I already have a plan, so we can just go here and we can click on that specific plan. Now, again, as I said, if you have a plan, you can just hit continue. And then as you can see, you can activate your AI powered store. So to complete your store automatically, they'll securely connect it to Sell the Trend, which is the company that will do the store for you. So as you can see, it will finish, apply a high conversion theme, add the first 10 winning products, and enable product syncing and order fulfillment. So now what you want to do is you want to finish the store setup right here. Okay. And you want to install this app inside of your Shopify store. So let's do that. So go to your apps right here, and what you want to search is Sell the Trend. It should look like this. If it doesn't, okay, you have it here, so we can just click on that. And from here, we want to install this because this is actually going to be the plugin that is going to connect to our store builder, okay? As you can see, you just need to hit install. Now, once we install this right here, we will have access, or actually, we can go and finish our store setup once this is installed. By the way, if you ever want to go back, what you can do is you can click these steps and you can go here and go back to your Shopify store. So for example, for me personally, I need to go in here and I need to pass my store URL again. So I hit save and I hit done, okay? So once we're here on this screen, we want to simply go to finish store setup. And that will pull us back to the Shopify. And one thing I gotta mention here is that if you get the Shopify plan, it's free for 3 days. And if you get the Sell the Trend, this installation, if you install it, it's also free for 3 days. So with Sell the Trend, you can use this for winning products, custom theme, and then the subscription will kick in, right? Unless it's canceled. So the thing is that 100% it's free for everything, because if the merchant, like you in this case, if you decide that you want to keep the Sell the Trend or Shopify, it's completely free, right? You can cancel it and you pretty much get the store. So hit install here. And from there, you will be brought to this page right here in a second. And this is how it's going to look like. So this is obviously just going to be subscription details. Just you need to approve it here. Okay, you're still in your 3-day free trial here, by the way. And then you want to go here and customize your store. Okay, so it will generate the AI theme. It will add the winning products. The store will be pretty much ready in no time. Okay, so as I said, again, you can cancel this anytime you want. It's completely free to basically go and install the store, generate the AI theme, and add the winning products. And by the way, winning products will be added from Sell the Trend, which is also cool. Here, as you can see, you can visit my store. So I can click visit my store here. Okay, this shop is private. So we need to actually go and we need to add the password here. So let's do that. And by the way, this is how the store looks like, right? So it looks really clean. I really like it. Everything is right here. You can obviously change some of these things. You can customize it. So I will also show you how you can do that. So essentially you want to go start dropshipping setup, and this is where you would be able to start fulfilling orders, adding new winning products, and automatically automate your entire store, okay? So this is essentially just start dropshipping setup here. And then here you would be able to go and start with first, obviously trying the winning product. You can skip this if you don't want it, and you can finish setup if you want. And then you can go right in Sell the Trend, and that will basically mark as complete. You can do something like that, and you can do this as well. And then it will go right into the setup, where you can pretty much learn how this works. Now you can check out some of our other videos on the channel on how this actually works. And yeah, it's essentially, that's pretty much it, right? So that's how you can kind of go and create your store. If you have any questions around this, comment below, and also check out all the links in the description, and we'll see you in the next video.